आज हम लोग रिवीजन के रूप में चैप्टर नंबर 1 को लेंगे साइंस में। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन इन विच फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम सिंपल इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेज बाय ग्रीन प्लांट्स is known as autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophs, organisms that synthesize their food from simple inorganic substance, is known as autotrophs. Heterotrophs, organisms that are dependent on plants for food. Heterotrophs. Host, organisms that provide food and shelter to the parasite, is known as host. Insectivorous organisms that feed on insects. वैसे प्लांट्स जो इंसेक्ट्स पर निर्भर हैं उनको इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स बोलते हैं. न्यूट्रिएंट्स, फूड component that are necessary for our body is called nutrients. Saprophytes, organisms that derive nutrients from dead and decaying plants and animals. These type of animals are called saprophytes. Symbiosis, association between two organisms in which both the organisms living together and are benefited for each other, is known as symbiosis relationship. आगे देखें हम लोग तो न्यूट्रिशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग फूड एंड यूजिंग इट फॉर मीटिंग बॉडी requirement. The process through which green plant make their food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. All organisms other than green plants have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Parasitic plants derive food from the host plant on which they grow. हम लोग अगर दोनों में डिफरेंस देखें ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशंस और हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशंस में तो ये ऐसे हैं. इट अकर्स ओनली इन ग्रीन प्लांट्स. इट अकर्स इन ऑल नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. Carbon dioxide and water are needed for the synthesis of food. Heterotrophs derive their food from green plants or autotrophs directly or indirectly. Third, chlorophyll and sunlight are essential for the synthesis of food. Chlorophyll is absent and sunlight is not needed. आगे हम लोग देखें यहाँ पे तो हम लोग पाएंगे कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर सनलाइट और क्लोरोफिल के प्रेजेंस में ग्लूकोज और ऑक्सीजन का निर्माण करते हैं, जिसमें नीचे केमिकल फार्मूला दिया हुआ है 6CO2 प्लस 6H2O. सनलाइट, क्लोरोफिल, ग्लूकोज का फार्मूला C6H12O6 प्लस 6O2. ऑक्सीजन का फार्मूला है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग चले तो हम लोग देखेंगे एस्टोमाटा का रोल इन फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस occurs in green plants of the plant and mainly in the leaves. The structure of leaf shows the following features that make it a suitable place for photosynthesis. Cells in the leaves are green because they contain chlorophyll, which is green in color. The chlorophyll is contained in the chloroplast. The chloroplasts are the sites of photosynthesis because chlorophyll absorbs solar energy to initiate photosynthesis. Leaves have teeny pores called stomata on the undersurface. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through stomata. Besides leaves, photosynthesis also takes place in other green parts of the plant like green stem, green branches, and green sepals. In desert plants, the leaves are modified into spines and the stem is green and fleshy. Their green stem carries out photosynthesis. Solar energy is the only source of energy for all living beings on the earth. The green leaves of plant convert this solar energy into chemical energy and provide it to all the cells of living bodies. Thank you.